I would say the concept of ritual is probably a routine, but doing it with intent. I'm Gabby, and I'm a TV producer, and this is my partner, Jack.
I work in radio, and we live on our narrowboat in Oxford.
When I've come to live on the boat, it's forced us to have a slower way of life, because that is just what boat life is. That's how we've come to make coffee making into a ritual in the morning, because it's doing it with intent and having that peaceful amount of time. So in the morning, I tend to get up first. I walk through the boat, open up all the blinds, then I pop the kettle on, which is in itself slow living because the kettle takes ages to boil, but it's really lovely because you take that moment. You've got probably 5 minutes of just waiting and looking out the window, and it's really peaceful. And then I will make the coffee, and then it's a kind of a moment to myself to just enjoy the morning time and sit with a cup of coffee. I mean, what a great way to start the day.
One of the things I love the most about living on a narrowboat is the ability to travel. We originally bought the boat in London, and then over the last 2 years we have cruised around the UK. And it is amazing because every couple of weeks you move to a different place.
I think it's really important for us to have our own morning rituals because we live in such a small space. We live very much on top of each other.
Having a ritual just means that I am able to take an extra breath and pause.
You do need to take time for yourself, and it puts you in the right mind frame. You can both, then come together peacefully and not be annoyed by each other when you live in a small space. So it's really important to take some time for yourself, and nothing beats the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.